In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 3DX9 underscore 37 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to check your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Here, take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and put download and then hit enter. Click on it on the first match. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and wait for that to be downloaded. Once done, click on the folder icon and then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, scroll down to the System 32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System 32. If you're a 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Right click and then select paste and click on replace the file in the destination. Now, once done, just simply close the windows and then restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Now, click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type. Double click on that setup file and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.